You don't need thousands of manifestation techniques. You don't need a manifestation routine. All you need is to robotically affirm, saturate your subconscious in order to get your desires. And when I tell you this shit works, I mean it, because I'm a living example of that. I literally manifested everything that I own by robotically affirming for it. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use robotic affirmations to manifest your desires even faster. No, it doesn't take months or years. If you have coaches in your life who say stuff like that, please. All you have to do is saturate your subconscious mind to your desire, that dream college that you want, your relationship, that person, that job promotion, your perfect health, the kind of money you want to make every single month, your dream job, your dream business, the kind of figure that you want. You just have to saturate any desire. No matter what desire you're having, you just have to saturate your subconscious to it. You're gonna affirm until you get the text. You're gonna affirm until you get that email. You're gonna affirm until you get the desire. You're not stopping. And a lot of people get confused. Manifestation is not something that you do kabhi kabhi. Manifestation is something that you are doing 24/7. If your subconscious is working, you are manifesting. A lot of people don't realize that. A lot of people are just so confused about this. No, your every freaking thought is affirmation. Okay, all you have to do is think your affirmation. But here's the catch. You have to think from a version who already got the desire. So according to quantum physics, there are infinite realities which exist in this very present moment. So there's a version of you which already got the kind of desire you want, okay? The version that you're experiencing right now is just one out of the infinite. That's why circumstances, any circumstances, it doesn't fucking matter, because it's just one out of the infinite. So you have to affirm from the state that you already have it. You're just claiming it. You're not trying to get it. By you affirming, you're not going to get the desire. You already have the desire. Are you getting what I'm saying? If you're going to robotically affirm, I would recommend you using 1 to 2 affirmations. That would be enough. Don't add up so many, because then you won't be able to do it. I personally am not able to do it. I only choose 1 affirmation and I keep on repeating it until it manifests. So just do it. And there's no time limit, because see, all you have to do is think. And a lot of people don't get it, but you have to think those thoughts. You don't even have to say it out loud. Just think in your head that you have it. But the key factor here is to think from a version who already got whatever they want, not from a version that, oh, I am trying to get it, so I'm gonna get it. Not from the version that, oh, if I'll do this, I'm gonna get this. A lot of people get this wrong. I'm really grateful that you're here, but stop watching manifestation content. Instead of that, start affirming. A lot of people just keep on wasting their time trying to learn new stuff. It's all the same shit. Literally, it's all the same shit, okay? All we are telling you to do is focus on your thoughts. That's it. To have one certain kind of thoughts and just to think them until it manifests in your reality, until you see it, in your 3D. You lack discipline and you need to get your shit together if you really want to make it work out. You cannot keep your 1 foot in, 1 foot out, because it doesn't work that way. You need to surrender to the process. And how you do that? By completely indulging in it. Not by, oh, I'm going to try this, I'm going to try that as well, and then I'm going to do it for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to do that for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to bitch about everything in my life for 10 fucking hours. No, it doesn't work that way. You need to saturate your mind. So this is a reminder to keep on affirming and keep on persisting until you get what you want. And you have the power, okay? You're the creator of your reality. Do not forget that. You got this. If you want a one-on-one session with me, do DM me on Instagram. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I upload videos every Tuesday and Saturday. If you have any question, DM me on Instagram or put it down in the comment section. You're so loved and blessed. You're amazing and I love you. Thank you so much for existing. Do is, which you do. ऐसे ही. What's the word for it? Oh!